Okay. Well, we couldn't afford enough music in the file, so that's so our apologies for that. No, sorry, something went wrong with the music, but I'm sure you got some feeling about the POS system. If we have any questions in the audience, we could take a look at that. Unless we'll, I think we're going to share the screen and take a new look at the how we set up from a high-level point of view the infrastructure behind the POS solution. So, Christian, if you could share the screen and.
Okay. Find the screen share. So hopefully everybody can see my screen now. So I just want to take you quickly through how the architecture is for POSbe. So it's built to work with any ERP backend, and all the article prices and other master data is synced from ERP. If you use SAP, you can use standard POS outbound, and we store that in the Planet 9 database. When you launch the POS application, we will sync the latest article and prices from the Planet 9 backend and store it locally in the POS application on the client. So if you are offline, you can still be able to scan and sell your products. After a sale is done, we will sync the transaction back to the Planet 9 database, where our background job is running every 5-10 seconds or so, and send it via an Arch POSlog XML file. So the only thing we are storing in the Planet 9 database is the most necessary master data to be able to do an offline sale. All other data, such as customer sales order and all that stuff, we will just ask for when you need it. So the POS is not storing any of this data. So when we search for a customer, we just ask your CRM or backend system for that data. Also, we have a separate launchpad, which is used for the all the setup, customizing, all your reporting will be done from there, and also the back office functionalities for the store you will find there. And since this runs on Neptune, we can easily add your own customer application or your own custom applications. So you can, for instance, launch a Planet 9 application from another system within the POS to do some more specialized stuff like I don't know, customer product availability or something like that. Yeah, that's an overview of the architecture. I don't know if there's any questions.
Yeah, let's check if there's questions.
Yeah, so we have one.
If you double click the question.
No, this is a conversation.
Okay.
So let's read the question. Sorry, missed the start, but is this designed for store employees on tablets, or does it also work through the website in the same way? So we are currently only using this on Windows right now, but since this is Neptune, it's easy to build a mobile application as well. So we have planned in our roadmap for Android and iOS.
Yeah.
And another question, how have you managed to ensure performance with it being a mission-critical solution? You host the POSbe solution in the cloud of your choice. So our current customers are using Azure and AWS. So of course you can scale those horizontal and vertical. We have also done some heavy load testing now to prepare for Black Friday, and everything looks good.
Yeah. How you say license? This is how do we sell the product is the question here. This is a product with a separate license on, and the license is bought from us. Neptune is shipped as an OEM. Is shipped as OEM. So meaning that the Planet 9 platform can only be used for the POSbe solution. Yeah.
Okay.
We also have the possibility to show you the solution live if somebody has any scenarios they want to look at. So
I was just going to say, yeah, it'd be great to have a
Yeah, we can do a quick. Okay, let's answer this question first. Is there any customization needed? So there is built-in a lot of customizing in the solution. So it's every customer has the same product, and so there's some customizing to turn on and off functionality that you will use. I can just do a quick demonstration, just simple sale or something. So here's the logon screen with PIN code. So when I logged in now, we check for any changes in prices or if any new articles has been added to the assortment. And we are currently now having 18,213 articles stored locally in the database here. So let me search for a product and add a bag. These 4 buttons you can customize to have your own product. So shopping bags and other stuff you sell a lot of at the checkpoint. Okay, so this is just a regular sale, 1 pillow and a shopping bag. We can press total, and let's say this customer wants to pay with cash, 2,000 Norwegian kroners. Yeah, And there we have it. And here's the receipt. You can send it on email or print it. You can add a gift receipt if you want to for this product. Yeah. For now, we don't want to print a receipt. Let's see if there's any new questions. No.
No, it's
Yeah. Okay, so let's do another scenario where we search for a customer. So as I mentioned earlier, this is not stored in POSbe. This is data directly from the backend system. So let's choose this customer. And POSbe is automatically checking if this customer has any open sales orders. Since this is a test system, she has many, but let's just add one. So this is customer orders. And you can also mix it with a regular sale. So let's just add a normal product. You can see there's some differences on the line items here. You can also add a manual discount if you want to, 10%. Yeah, and let's add a large shopping bag. I unfortunately don't have bank terminal connected to the PC right now. So let's pay with cash one more time. Yeah, so here's the receipt. You can see that it's split between the regular sale and the payment on customer orders. I'm sorry, but the receipt is in Norwegian. You just have to believe me. Yeah, so that's some a demonstration of some of the basic functionality in the POS. We can also do a till count while we're at it. So I have no idea how much money I'm supposed to be having right now, but let's say it's 5,500. I'm sorry, 7,500. Yeah, I got a cash difference of 42,000. You have to give an explanation, or you can do a recount. And there you have the till count document. So yeah, that's the till count, and of course you have the settlement set report, and you can move cash from the safe to the till and the other way. This custom tab here, you can add your own tiles, which links to your any web application, so, or just a website. So you can have an URL to your own website, or you can add your own Neptune application and so on. Yeah.
Yeah.
So.
Okay, it's I would say it's a fairly new solution, deployed in September 2019 for the first time in at Bohus, a Norwegian furniture dealer, retailer. They are now running this POS in 60 stores, and we have another retailer, Elkjøp, on board, who has deployed in Denmark and Sweden, Norway, and Finland is lined up. Everything looks good. It's very stable, and we are, of course, looking for new customers, and we're looking for partners outside, even in Norway, but also outside Norway, to help us to get this solution distributed. So if you see any needs out there or have requests for POS, this could be an opportunity. Good.
Thanks for that. That's a really good-looking solution. If anyone does have any more questions, feel free to pop them in the chat. But I have one myself, if that's all right. I was just wondering what you've learned from your experience working with Neptune that you'd like to share. What's been your favorite part?
Yeah. So I think when we had the idea for to develop a new POS a couple of years ago.
Yeah, I would say summer 2018.
Yeah, that idea came at the same time Planet 9 was launched, because we saw that this gave us an opportunity to do it, and we had experience with Planet 8 from before. And I don't think we could have developed a POS solution this fast without Neptune. If we had started from scratch, so all the development environment that Neptune provides has been crucial.
Cool. So just speed to market, essentially.
Speed to market, yeah.
Nice, yeah. There's a couple more questions there as well. I don't know if you'd like to read them out if you want me to.
Yeah, I can take Sindre's question first. So how can you customize and set up the solution? Is there a back office application as well? So let me share my screen again. Or maybe I did share my screen. Okay, so this is the administration cockpit. Here you have all the customizing and setup, reporting, and so on. So the first tab here is a monitoring tab. This just gives you a quick overview of the system, that everything is running as it should. The setup and customizing. This here you do all the customizing basically, and that's from everything to which endpoints are you sending the POS log to what should it say on the bottom of the receipt. So the customizing is fairly simple compared to other ERP system, at least. It doesn't take long to just go through this list and fill out what you need. And also every customizing is available for all stores, or per country, or per chain, or per individual store. Yeah, I won't go through all of this, but here you will register your POS, all your bank terminals, set up your tenders, so cash, card, stuff like that. Yeah, and on the reporting screen here you can see all the settlements and till counts from each store. You can view each transaction and all the details regarding that transaction. You can see the POS log file that was sent. and you have some. You can look at all your master data and so on. And this is the back office tab, so the stores will have this available to them. It's the same launch tab, but their role just give them, allows them to access this one. So here they can do the till count from the back office and yeah, see get all receipts and so on.
That's fantastic.
Good.
I think we have maybe just run out of time, unfortunately, because we do have the next session starting in about 30 seconds or so. So I would just like to say thank you both very much for your presentation today. If there are any further questions that anyone has, feel free to reach out to either the gentlemen here. But for now, we're going to close the session and jump into the next one. So thank you again, and we'll see you all in the next one.
Okay, bye.